Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to make a polymer clay cane featuring an adorable frog design. Polymer clay canes are versatile and can be used to make various crafts like jewelry, figurines, and more. In this video, we will guide you through the process of creating a frog-themed polymer clay cane. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your materials. Before we begin, make sure you have the following materials ready. Polymer clay in various colors, green, white, black, cutting blade, rolling pin, wax paper or a clean work surface, craft knife or slicer. Optional. Polymer clay conditioning machine for easier clay conditioning. Step 2. Conditioning the clay. Start by conditioning your polymer clay. Soften the clay by kneading it in your hands until it becomes pliable and easy to work with. You can also use a polymer clay conditioning machine if you have one. This step ensures that the clay is ready for shaping and prevents cracking. Step 3. Creating the frog's body. Take a ball of green clay and roll it into a cylinder shape. This will form the body of our frog. Smooth out any creases or imperfections using your fingers. Step 4. Making the frog's legs. To create the frog's legs, take 2 smaller balls of green clay and roll them into thin, elongated shapes. Attach them to the side of the body, gently pressing and blending the clay to ensure a secure bond. Use your fingers or a sculpting tool to shape the legs as desired. Step 5. Adding details. Now it's time to add some details to our frog cane. Roll small balls of white clay to form the eyes and attach them to the frog's head. Use a small tool or toothpick to create indentations for the frog's nostrils. For added realism, you can use tiny black clay dots as pupils. Step 6. Shaping the cane. Take a block of green clay and flatten it into a rectangular shape using a rolling pin. Place the frog body on top of the flattened clay, positioning it near one edge. Carefully roll the clay around the frog, creating a log shape. Make sure to apply gentle pressure to secure the layers together. Okay, so time out. Here, it's not very specific, but I'm pretty sure what they're trying to get at is to wrap the clay around the frog's body to make it into a round cylinder altogether. Okay, time back in. Step 7. Refining the shape. Once you have your cane shape, use your hands to gently roll and smooth it, ensuring a uniform thickness and eliminating any air bubbles. Take your time with this step to achieve the desired shape. Step 8. Slicing the cane. Using a sharp craft knife or a slicer, carefully slice thin pieces from the cane. Each slice will reveal a miniature version of the frog design. Aim for thin and even slices to achieve better results. Step 9. Baking the slices. Preheat your oven according to the instructions provided by the polymer clay manufacturer. Place your frog cane slices on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper or a silicone mat. Bake them in the oven for the recommended time and temperature, typically around 275 degrees Fahrenheit, 130 degrees Celsius, for about 15 to 20 minutes. Step 10. Final touches. Once the slices have cooled, you can use them in various projects such as jewelry, decorative accents, or even as miniature sculptures. Get creative and have fun incorporating these adorable frog designs into your craft. Hey everyone! So as the title says, this video is scripted by ChatGPT. I thought it would be entertaining to see what it would come up with. And as you can see, the results aren't that great. But I am pretty impressed, especially with the first half of the script. Throughout the process, there were parts that were very accurate to cane making, and then there were parts that were just completely off. I want to say 50% of the script was pretty on point, and then the other 50% was what are you doing? But yeah, it was very interesting. I didn't think it would be this good, to be honest. My expectations were very, very low. I mean, the end results were bad, but the process itself, I really had low expectations, and ChatGPT did a very decent job in my opinion. But yeah, it still has a long way to go. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys found it funny. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye!